Good morning and welcome to TechCore. My name is Alex Smith and I am the Human Resource Manager. Are you Edgar Paredes? Well, as you know, today we are interview candidates for the position of marketing specialists. To start your conversation, please tell me a little bit about yourself, your personal information, and your academic background, and your CV, etc. Hi. Good morning, Mr. Smith. Yes, I am Edgar Paredes. Thank you very much for inviting me to this interview. To answer your questions, I am 24 years old and alive in the city center in Talara. I am an enthusiastic and creative person who loves working with digital media. Right now, I am taking a digital strategy course because I like to study more with new trends, regarding my studies. I studied marketing at the University UTP and Peru, UTP in English. And I graduated 2 years ago. During my university years, I participated in several projects, studying practice about brand managing and teamwork is my experience. That sounds great, Edgar. Now, tell me about your work experience. What were your main tasks and success in your last job? Also, what are your main skills and is there something you can not do yet? Of course. Regarding my work experience, I worked as a junior marketer at a local agency for 2 years in Talara. My main duties were creating digital content, managing advertising campaigns, and writing monthly reports. It was a great experience because I learned the work under pressure. About my good results that I am happy with. I have won a regional competition for digital campaigns. In my life job, I improved our social media in management by 35 for 100. As for my skills, I can design graphic content using Photoshop, and I can analyze market data easily. However, speaking honestly, I cannot speak from French yet. I cannot speak fluent English, but I am taking classes every week to improve it. Wow, that is very impressive experience, Edgar. Moving on to your future, where do you see yourself in the coming years? What are your future goals and expectations for this position? Also, before we finish, do you have any question? Any question for me about the job? Yes. I have clear goals. I have clear goals. In the future, I am going to specialize in digital strategy, and I will start a master degree next year. In this new job, I expect to grow professionally and contribute me to big projects. Now, before ending, I have two questions for you. Two. One, what are the main challenge of this position? And second, what are the next steps in the selection process? Excellent question, Oscar. Excellent question. The main challenge is managing multiple client campaigns at the same time. Regarding the next text, our team will evaluate our candidates, and we will you next Monday, no? Next Monday, you inform your decision. Thank you very much, Edgar. Very much for coming today. Thank you, Alex, very much for your time and for this opportunity. Thank you. And have a wonderful day. Bye. Goodbye, Edgar. Goodbye.